Welcome to episode 8 of traders selling their ass on Instagram as if it's OnlyFans. The problem with today's feature is it's a woman and we don't want to disrespect women, so no pun intended. But today's feature is Masi Trades. And guess who she used to be part of and what group she used to be part of? Umar Ashraf. She was part of Stock Market Lab back in 2020 until she got kicked out because she was faking her trades. So what exactly happened? Well, Stock Market Lab peeped that she wasn't actually trading and she was photoshopping everything, and they put pressure on Umar Ashraf to make an announcement. Umar then went on live and made an announcement that his right-hand trader, Masi Trades, was a complete fraud. She then had to get kicked out of Stock Market Lab, and then she went and did her own thing. She wasn't the only one that got kicked, though. It was Nika, it was an Asian kid, and it was Masi Trades. Now, here she is making her own content as if she's trading all over again. Who can confirm this info? Well, go to any Stock Market Lab student, go to Umar Ashraf, go to Usman Ashraf, because that's part of their group. And you see how all this is connected, right? Every trade I make is always connected some way, somehow. Like Ethan Duran was connected to, Alex and Lambo Rayul, and then you have Masi Trades connected to Stock Market Lab, which was Umar Ashraf and Usman Ashraf. So that's your episode 8, but who can confirm this? Hundreds of students if you go and ask them, whoever was part of Stock Market Lab.